It's a big day of trade. Globally, nothing is looking strong, or the global cues are not that constructive. SGX was telling us that it could be a gap down, but it's a flat start for the Nifty, 4 points up for the Nifty, and for the Sensex as well. At a time when global cues are not strong, flows are not supportive, it's a rub of green, 22 points up for the Sensex. The Bank Nifty seems to be bouncing back, but a very shallow bounce, and the CNXIT, which is the only performing index, is off to a flattish start, down 25 points. The Idea Cellular numbers came yesterday after the bell, 145 rupees for Idea Cellular. I want to look at metals and banks because they really hold the key for a trader. Tata Steel 356 up to rupees, sale is at 67. GSPL is off to a okay start, and GSW Steel is at 924. HUL, ITC, they both managed to buck the trend yesterday. Ashwini pointed out that ITC seems to be hitting some kind of a trading bottom as well. 322 for ITC, and HUL is at 574. Ranbaxy has lost 25% of its market cap in 2 days, but today there is some mean reversion which is evident for Ranbaxy, which is at 316 rupees. And where is ICICI Bank, the real culprit? Yesterday it cracked on strong volumes, and today ICICI Bank is also bouncing back. So we're off to a okay start. Let's see if these levels will sustain.
Well, fairly quiet, so to speak. Yes, we're skirting around the 6150 mark, so much unlike what the SGX was indicating earlier on in the morning. 6122 for the SGX. We're a little better off. But again, a big question mark on whether or not these rates are going to sustain. Lots of earnings today. Maruti Suzuki, NTPC, JSPL, JSW Steel, Sesa Sterlite. So yes, a fair amount of metal names are going to declare their earnings. For now though, they're all a sea of green. Ipca Labs, Jyoti Laboratories, OnMobile Global, PTC are some other names which have been fairly active the last couple of trading sessions. So watch out for them as well. It seems like the SBI board is now mulling a QIP which is going to take place in Feb. They're looking at raising about 10,000 crore rupees via this QIP. SBI has gotten off to a smart start, up almost 1% or so in trade as we speak. Couple of other names which are in focus as well. And JSW Steel, it seems, is now going to raise prices by a good 1 to 2%. You've also got Gujarat Apollo, wherein there's been a buyback at the maximum level of $125 per share. NTPC, which is now tied up for $30 million funding from the Japan Bank of International Cooperation as well. Couple of mid-caps which were in focus yesterday. And I just want to see JP Associates, JP Power, HTIL, Yes Bank. These were the ones which really took it on the chin in yesterday's session. And well, again, a bout of green throughout and across the board. Vinny, does it seem like this short covering that we are seeing, or minute of a bounce, is it sustainable according to you?